Welcome to Kwiiz Success, the best online coaching. Let us learn basic English grammar. Study at your own pace and save your time and energy. Please like and subscribe for more educational videos.
Prepositions.
Rishabh, bring me the bag on the table. Okay. It is very heavy. It has some mangoes. A fruit seller was selling them near my school. I'm going to the market with my friend. Do you need anything from the market? Yes, please bring me a packet of chips.
In the dialogues, the boy and the girl have used words that tell us about the position of the noun or pronoun in front of which they are placed with another word in the sentence. The words on, inside, near, to, with, from, of are examples of prepositions. Definition. A preposition is a word that is positioned before a noun or a pronoun in a sentence and tells about its relation with another word in the sentence placed nearby. Let us look at a few sentences. The dog jumped over the railing. Tina kept the photographs under her pillow. The book has been written by my friend. In the first sentence, over is a preposition as it is positioned before the noun, railing, and tells its relationship with another noun, dog. In the next sentence, under is a preposition as it comes before the noun pillow and speaks about its relation with another nearby word in the sentence, photographs. In the third sentence, by is a preposition as it tells the relation between the book and noun friend before which it is placed. Here is a list of some prepositions. Above, below, into, beyond, at, since, for. Christine's cat was missing. Conjunctions.
I want to get a shirt and a skirt stitched.
When do you want to wear it?
I need it next week because it is my friend's birthday party.
I will try my best, but I have lots of work these days, so it may take a little longer to stitch your clothes.
Please, don't take very long. I will not be able to attend the party unless I have my new dress.
In the dialogues, the girl and the tailor have used words that join two words or sentences together. The words and, because, but, so, unless are examples of conjunctions. Definition. A conjunction is a word that joins together two words or sentences. Let us look at few sentences. Anil and Meenal are walking together. It was a beautiful day for a picnic, since there was no possibility of rain. You must complete your homework or the teacher will punish you. In the first sentence, and is a conjunction as it joins together two names. In the next sentence, since is a conjunction as it joins together two sentences. In the third sentence, or is a conjunction joining two sentences. Here is a list of some conjunctions. neither, nor, either, or, if, although, otherwise. I'm a teenager and my life is very stressful. I go to school and play sports and I play computer games with my friends. I hardly have time to relax. I do my homework, of course, but I don't read any extra books or newspapers for fun. I play the drums and I would like to join a band, but I don't have time to practice or rehearse. My schoolwork comes first and sports come second. Playing soccer is very important to me because it gives me energy. I'm always tired because I never get enough sleep. I usually stay up late because I have to finish homework or
For free quiz, visit www.success.org.in. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.